guys, welcome back to my channel Keeping It Real with Yogasini, and today on my channel we're going to do something which is so inexpensive. You can get this at home and it's amazing for your body, for your skin, for your hair. It's like the golden egg of skincare, hair care as well as health. What am I talking about? I am talking about dalchini, cinnamon sticks, cinnamon powder, cinnamon coffee, cinnamon latte, everything cinnamon. And this is an ingredient you will get at home easily. You don't even have to go to the market to buy this. And for this whole skincare, hair care, body care routine that I'm going to show you today, you don't need anything. All the ingredients that you need are at home. Now, why cinnamon? Cinnamon has so many benefits. The main advantages of cinnamon are that it helps regulate sugar in the blood, helps control the level of cholesterol, calms pain in the abdomen, inflammation and gases. That means less gaseous problems. Useful for the treatment of various types of infection, contains vitamin A, magnesium, a complex of vitamin B, zinc, flavonoid, health benefits. Okay, the last part I'm not very sure what it exactly means, but I know for sure that it contains vitamin A and it is an overall immunity, element that helps in body functions. Now this routine is divided into 3 segments. My first segment is a health routine, the second segment is a face mask, and a third segment is a hair care routine. Let's start with the first routine. The first routine is for weight loss. How do you use cinnamon in your diet for weight loss? Now what I do is first thing in the morning I get up, I pour myself a hot cup of water, hot glass of water, squeeze a little bit of lemon and put cinnamon. Honey is optional if you want a sweeter taste, but I sometimes leave honey, I sometimes put honey, that's optional. What does it do for your health? It helps in weight loss, it lowers cholesterol, boosts immune system, prevents chronic diseases, improves digestion, boosts brain function, reduces inflammation and treats menstrual cramps. It has multiple benefits, but for me I have realized that it is better to have this drink in the morning than at night, because at night when I had it I had some gas problems which was a little uncomfortable throughout the night. So I would suggest that you have this in the morning, first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and see the results. I am talking about weight loss and I'm not talking about like instant weight loss, but it'll take over a course of a month, but you will see the benefits of having cinnamon, hot water, honey, lemon water in the morning. The second way you can use cinnamon for glowing, acne-free skin is by making a face mask out of it, a DIY face mask. All you need is 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, raw organic honey will do, and a little bit of lime. Mix it very well and put it on your face. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and see the results. I am not wearing any makeup right now, means I have a little bit of makeup, let's be honest. I have a little bit of BB cream and that's it. Just mascara, BB cream and an eye tint. Nothing else on my skin, and I can actually feel the effects of cinnamon in my skincare routine. I had a pimple over here, I had a pimple over here. It has dried up immediately. I put it on, I left it for 15 minutes, I took a bath, I came out and I can actually feel it. I can touch the pimple and it's not like plump and you know the pus sort of a thing. It has completely dried out. So a second way of using cinnamon is using it as a face mask. Use it twice or thrice a week, not too regularly. And before making this DIY face mask and putting it, please do a swatch test. Please make sure you're not allergic to any of these elements or ingredients, because if you put it straight away and you have a reaction, then you will be suffering. So it's better to always do a patch test and be sure that you're not allergic to any of these ingredients. Besides helping out with acne, the benefits of using cinnamon in your face routine is that it helps with even skin tone, moisturizes your skin and exfoliates your skin as well. The third way you can use cinnamon in your daily life is for your hair care. I have such long hair and to be honest, I don't do anything for it. I use DIY hair mask and that's about it. I've never had a spa session in my entire life. For this hair mask, you need a teaspoon of cinnamon, you need a teaspoon of honey, a tablespoon of olive oil and egg. Yes, I know egg will be smelly and it'll stink for a while, but you do not know the benefits of egg. They are tremendous. I've been putting egg in my hair since I was in school, and that's why I have good healthy hair, and also I don't put heat and all those other things, but egg is very very good for your hair. I suggest you do an egg mask, cinnamon egg mask once a week for sure. How to go about this hair mask? Combine all the ingredients in a bowl to make a smooth paste. Apply this paste on your hair as a mask, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off with a mild shampoo. And that's it. Do this once a week and you will see your hair shining, glowing, thicker and less hair fall. I have been doing this for a while and I've noticed that I have less hair fall with this hair mask. So that was my 3 ways of using cinnamon in my everyday routine, from losing weight to helping out with my acne to get nice, growing, healthy hair. You can find this ingredient in your kitchen, so I suggest you go to your kitchen right now. Get a cinnamon stick, dalchini, put it in the mixer, grind it, make a powder out of it. Or if that's too tedious, I suggest you go on Amazon and just write cinnamon powder. You'll get it delivered in 2 to 3 days. Prime, Amazon Prime. I don't know why I'm promoting Amazon. They don't even sponsor me for anything. Anyhow, so that is the way you use cinnamon in your daily life. Cinnamon has a lot of benefits. I know I was a little all over the place today in this video because I have too much on my head, but I hope you come back to my channel. I hope this cinnamon mask, cinnamon routine helps you in your weight loss, or you in your acne, or growing your hair. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, subscribe. New YouTuber, help me out. I like making these videos where you can find ingredients just at home and you do not have to spend so much money buying anything. Anyhow, that was it. I think I'm really exhausted myself today with this video. I shall see you all next week. I hope you all have a lovely day. Also, I'm on the social medias, Instagram, Facebook. I completely forgot to mention that. Like I said, I'm all over the place. And yeah, that's it. Just subscribe, see my earlier videos. I have a activated charcoal video, I have a bubble mask video, I have a lot of videos, but not enough views. Please see them, they're fun. Or I think they're fun. Yeah, bye.